I'm pretty sure it's not me getting this kind of stuff blown into your garage. Leaves, dust, dead worms. I've got this Temu, however, it looks exactly the same stuff that you get from the UK. Just took a bit longer to come. One of them land couriers, you know. Word on the street, this sticks at all. Hence the name. All you need to do is make sure the surface is clean and prepped. So I better do that. We don't want no dry worms sticking under here, do we? Got me little brush. Little brush. Clean it up and I've wonder wiped it. Whilst it's drying, so what I'm going to do next. I mean, to be fair, you probably know what I'm going to do next. I'm going to close this door to see where the line is so we can put the rubber mat under. First off, we need to make sure the rubber mat is going to be facing the right way. I would say that's the outside. You've got the steeper edge here, stop the water getting up, and the smoother bit here. So if you are needing to sweep your dust out, go straight over. To me, we've got a slight problem. I know for a fact. Look, the overhang wants to overhang the very bit of the overhang. I mean, I have to modify this and totally just cut this off. All I'm bothered about really is that stopper. Is this stopper hitting that? And it's down. And the rain has come to test it out. Probably see the gaps under here. I'll let this all set and cure, and then tomorrow I'll fill that in. However, you don't need to see that. All you need to do now is just go and do it yourself and patch it up yourself. Ta-ta!